Understanding lavender balm in English. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase lavender balm. This is a phrase you might come across in conversations about relaxation techniques, natural remedies, or even in beauty and skincare discussions. Let's unravel the layers of meaning and usage together. Before we dive into the phrase itself, let's first understand what lavender is. Lavender is a type of plant known for its calming fragrance and beautiful purple flowers. It's often associated with relaxation and is used in various forms, from essential oils to decoration. Now, let's talk about the word balm. A balm is a substance that's used to soothe or heal the skin. It's thick, with a consistency that's softer than a lotion but more solid than a liquid. Balms are often made with natural ingredients and are used for their therapeutic properties. When we combine these two words, lavender balm refers to a soothing ointment made with the essence of lavender. It's commonly used to calm the senses, relieve stress, and even aid in sleep. The phrase encapsulates the idea of comfort and care, using nature's own ingredients. In everyday language, lavender balm could be used literally, to talk about the product itself, or figuratively, to describe something that's incredibly calming or soothing. For example, listening to the sound of rain acts like a lavender balm for my anxiety. And that wraps up our little journey into the phrase, lavender balm. Whether you're talking about the actual product or using the phrase metaphorically, it conveys a sense of peace and well-being. I hope you found this video helpful and that you'll feel a bit more relaxed next time you come across this fragrant phrase. See you in the next video.